Hey YouTube, St. Frank here. Today, I'm going to be opening up a jumbo pack of 2020 Topps Pro Debut. It says there's 24 cards per pack. And I didn't want to buy a whole jumbo box because they're pretty expensive, but I was able to pick up just one pack. And there are 3 autographs per jumbo box. And 6 packs, so you have a 50-50 shot at getting autographed in a pack of these. So figured I'd try one, and plus these have some type of chrome cards in them, so I wanted to see what that was all about. This is new for this year. They never have done Pro Debut jumbo boxes. Let's see what we get. Hopefully we're lucky enough to hit an auto. All right, so we got Davis Wenzel, Rangers. Dylan File, Matt Gorski, Nick Madrigal, Kyle Stowers, Evan White, Marco Luciano, Mackenzie Gore. Ooh, maybe we did get an auto. There's a backwards card. Got Christian Robinson. There's just one of the chrome cards. There's what the backs look like, by the way. Juris Montero, Braden Shoemake, Sharon Apostle, that's a Rangers guy. Riley Green, he's a pretty good prospect for the Tigers. Francisco Alvarez Refractor. Oh, that's 2 out of 10. Must be a red refractor. Never heard of this player, but that's pretty sweet. Get a card numbered out of 10. It's with the Mets. Signed in 2018 as a free agent. I don't know if these are numbered. No. So we got Reese Hines, Julio Rodriguez. We got Antoine Kelly, Jesus Sanchez, Hunter Bishop, Andy Pages, Andrew Vaughn, Isaac Paredes, and Seth Johnson. So let's see what we got for this backwards card. I think it was backwards anyway. Somebody on the Cubs. Daniel Espino. Oh no, not Cubs, that's Indians. Daniel Espino. Yeah, we've been hitting plenty of Daniel Espinos this year out of Top stuff. So we'll add that to our collection. Sticker auto on Pro Debut. Not numbered. But we did get an out of 10 Francisco Alvarez also. A catcher for the Mets. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.